Hey guys, today we will talk about the Jenkins. So before we dive in, we have two quick checks or prerequisite that we need to look out. First, you need the stable internet connections for the installation, and second one you need the Java. If it is pre-installed, that's fine. If it is not pre-installed, you need to install it. How you can check the Java installed? So you need to go to command prompt from your machine. Just type Java version. Here you can see. So I have Java 25 installed on my machine. If you don't have the Java installed, so you can just to Google it out Java and select the second link Java download, so Oracle India. From here, you need to download the Java. Here you can see the JDK 25, JDK 21. You need to download the latest one for the operating system. You need to select the operating system from here. Windows. You can select any one of this and install it at the default location. And for the Jenkins, how to download this? You need to Google the Jenkins, select the first link available on the page, Jenkins. Here you can see the download page, download options are available. Select the download and go below. Here you can see the download Jenkins. So from here are the multiple operating system which allows the Jenkins. So accordingly you can download it from the Jenkins page. So here I'm showing the Jenkins installation on the Windows. So select the Windows. This will automatically download the Jenkins. So here you can see in downloads, downloads are started. Wait to complete this download. See, this is downloaded. Just select, click on this. So the installation is prepared. So you need to go with the default one location, or you can change the installation location as you need. So I'm just going with the default location. Select the next from the first wizard. Select the location. If you want to change, you can change it. If you need to install it on another directory, you can install it. For now, I'm just going with the default location. Next, if you want to create the admin local domain user, you can create it as you can just if you want to run it on local machine, local server, so you can select it for the local. For now, I'm selecting the local one as mostly we don't need the account and password for the single user. Support default port is 8080. You need to keep this port as is. Just test the port. The option get visible. Next one, select next one. Here it fetches the default Java from your machine. You need to select the next one. If see it gives the pop-up to select the Java version. So I need to select the Java for this. It supports the Java 17 or 21 only. The 25 Java is not supportable. So for this you need to install the Java 17 or 21. So I need to change the Java. So I'm just downloading the Java from here. Java, Java 21, Windows, this one. Just wait for a few seconds to install the Java 21. It is downloaded. Click on this. The installation dialog will come up. Install it. Select yes. Allow the permission. See this got installed Java 21. Close this. Go to the result. Put back. Test the port. Select the next. If it's not tracing the Java location. You need to change it from the program files. Select the Java 21, OK, and select next. And next and install. So it will start the installation of the Jenkins. See, it got installed. Once I hit finish, go to Google and http localhost and the port number, default port number 8080. Hit enter. So you will see the Jenkins dashboard where you need to put the password to get in. So here is the link location given for the password. Just select the location, go to File Explorer, go to the location here, go to the initial admin password RMB and open this file in Notepad. Just copy full content from this file and go to this wizard, put the password here and just click on continue. So the next process is like you need to install the plugins. If you have a customized list of plugins, so you can install it. If you don't have, just go with the default one. So the suggested one, install suggested plugins. Click on this, it's one. So wait for the plugins to get installed and downloaded. Once the plugin got installed, so you need to create the permanent admin user and a strong password. Give the full details and the email address here. For now, I'm just skipping this. So here is the URL, Jenkins URL. You can customize this if you need to share it or you need the other users to use this. So you can just convert this localhost to give your machine name and the port number. If you want to customize the port number, you can customize it. Else you can keep it as is. So I'm just for now I'm keeping as is and just I'm finishing this one. So here you can start using the Jenkins. So we are done with the installation part of the Jenkins. So congratulations, you have successfully installed Jenkins on Windows. You are now ready to start automating your builds, test and deployment. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more such tutorials. Thank you.